Now student, we have to find the magnetic field at the point O due to this diagram, current flowing in this diagram, that is what I, and this is the semicircular part of radius R2, and this is the semicircle also, but radius, that is what, large, and current flowing in this diagram, that is what, in clockwise direction. And magnetic field at point O due to state conductor, this part, and magnetic field at point O due to current carrying state conductor. So there will be no contribution of magnetic field at O due to state current carrying conductor, this part and this part, because angle between the current element and radius vector 0 degree and 180 degree here, and current element and radius vector, that is what, 0 degree, and using Biot-Savart's law, dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin 0 by r square, or mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin 180 by r square. So 180 sin 180, that is what, 0, and sin 0, that is what, 0. So there will be no contribution of magnetic field at the point O due to state current carrying conductor, because angle between them is what, either 0 either 180. Magnetic field is only contributed at O due to semicircular current loop of radius R2 and semicircular loop of radius R1. Now magnetic field at O due to larger semicircular current loop, magnetic field at O due to larger semicircular loop, that is what, of radius R1. So of radius R1. So use the formula. Magnetic field at the center of the circular current loop, mu naught by 2 I by r, but here semicircle, so we put mu naught by 4 I by r. So magnetic field, that is what, suppose that V1, and it comes out to be that, we take only magnitude, mu naught by 4 I, current flowing in the semicircular loop, that is what, I, radius, that is what, R1. Direction, student, current flowing in what, clockwise direction. So current flowing into the clockwise direction. So magnetic field at the center, use the right hand thumb rule, curling finger show the direction of the current, thumb will show the direction of magnetic field, which is at what, center of the semicircular loop, vertically downward, downward. Same way, magnetic field at the point O due to smaller circular current loop, magnetic field at O due to smaller semicircular current loop, current loop, student, current flowing, that is what, I, radius, that is what, R2. So we use B2, which is, again there will be what, mu naught by 4, semicircle, so its formula comes out, B2 equal to mu naught by 4, current same flowing, and radius, that is what, R2, and direction also, that is what, current flowing in this semicircle, smaller semicircle, also clockwise direction. So current flowing in this semicircle, that is what, clockwise direction. So direction of magnetic field at the center due to smaller circular current loop, also vertically downward. vertically downward. And we know that magnetic field is a vector quantity. Magnetic field I told due to larger semicircular current loop, and magnetic field I told due to smaller semicircular current loop. Their direction is in the same direction, vertically downward direction. So net magnetic field at the point O will be added. So net B at P, net magnetic field at O, which is equal to what? B1 plus B2, and B1 and B2, that is what? B1 x value, that is what? Mu naught by 4, we have taken common, I also common, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. B1 mu naught by 4 pi I by R1, B2 mu naught by 4 pi I by R2, mu naught I by 4 common, so 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. And what is the direction of net magnetic field? Direction of net magnetic field, that is what? Also what? Vertically downward. Vertically downward or normally inward. So net magnetic field at O due to this diagram, which is comes out to mu naught I by 4 in bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2, and direction of net magnetic field which is acting vertically downward.